Welcome aboard this 2023 32 Aquila Sport. My name is Kip Beaudry, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough and show you some of the great features of this particular boat. We will start at the transom of the 32 Aquila, and you will see we're powered with optional in white Mercury 300s with JPO. Standing at the transom, you will see a very, very unique ladder. Long, wide, easy on and off the boat with this particular ladder from Aquila. Moving forward into the cockpit, you will see lounger seats on both port and starboard. They both lay down and recline and turn into sun loungers. A very nice option from Aquila as well. The ease of boarding on the 32 Sport, starboard side and port side, making great access for docking either side. Here we are stepping into the cockpit under the hardtop. Look at the space and look at the shade. Seating on both port and starboard side, storage on both port and starboard side and at the transom of the 32 Sport. And here we are, we've made it to the helm. You will see, laid out great from Aquila, our Mercury throttles, start stops here, our joystick with our JPO and our Skyhook feature, our Fusion Apollo head unit, our Mercury monitoring system, and our Marine Axiom XL. What a great feature from Aquila, trying to utilize the cockpit space, but also bringing to play a small galley. You have a grill cooktop here, sink area, refrigerator, and more storage. The 32 Sport is great for it all. Whether you want a day boat, or actually if you want to overnight, you can do it on the 32 Sport with your cabin off to port with a nice berth and your head and showering area off to starboard side. Speaking of room on the 32 Aquila, as you step onto the bow, look at this full sun pad, armrest. What a great place to spend the day and enjoy the sun. And lastly, you will see a very unique feature from Aquila, storage compartments for your fenders on both port and starboard side, and also having access to your windlass with the remote as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video aboard the 2023 Aquila 32 Sport. Remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com, and like and subscribe for more video and content.